Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is how to import sound effect to PowerPoint. So first thing that you will do is of course go to your PowerPoint presentation. Now here on the top left, go for the insert. And now here guys, you could just simply go to the top right over here, which is the audio. So just simply select this one and you will have two options. You can either upload from your PC or record an audio. So for this video, we're going to select this one, audio on my PC. And now just simply select the sound effect that you have in order for you to import it. And now I have a transition sound effect over here. And you can just simply select insert. And now you will have this small icon over here. And you will have a small playback options over here. And now you will have this tab right here at the top. And now you can just simply change it based on your preferences, and you could use these tools in order for you to customize your audio, and you could play it in background as well. And pretty much this will be depending on you. And there you go. That's how to import the audio on PowerPoint. There you go. See ya.